a great choice today with the 2020 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, fog lights, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, compass, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, security system, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry. Come take a test drive today.